Is your Subaru Outback key fob not working reliably? It's likely the battery. This video shows you how to replace it yourself, saving time and money. The 2015-2023 Outback models use a CR2032 battery. You'll need a small screwdriver or pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, locate the seam on your key fob. Carefully pry it open. Note the battery orientation, positive side up. Remove the old battery and insert the new one. Snap the case back together. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your car. If it doesn't work, try cycling the ignition or consult a Subaru dealer for reprogramming. Always use CR2032 batteries from reputable brands and avoid forcing the case open to prevent damage. Now let's cover some essential tips for a smooth key fob battery replacement, troubleshooting steps, and future trends in automotive key technology. To ensure a smooth replacement, use a plastic pry tool instead of metal to prevent scratches on the fob case. Always double-check the battery's orientation when inserting it. The positive side should face up. If your fob has a rubber gasket, common in older models, make sure it's properly seated to prevent water damage. If the fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, the immobilizer may need to be reprogrammed by a Subaru dealer. While current models use replaceable CR2032 batteries, automotive trends point towards battery-free fobs in the future, potentially powered by kinetic energy or NFC technology. Stay tuned for updates on Subaru's technology advancements. For now, simple battery swaps keep your Outback's key fob functioning properly. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly.